How to change language in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and can even customize it. Here on the top, there's a section called language. So simply tap on language. Here, there are some limited languages that you can select or switch into. Now tap on the one that you want to change into. So here I'm tapping on one. At last, tap on save and you're all set to go. Now the whole interface is changed to the language you just selected. You're all set to go now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.